Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. As you have read by the title, I went to Sarojini and this video is going to be about Sarojini. So I've vlogged a little in Sarojini for you guys to see how it looks right now after lockdown. So without any further ado, let's straight away go on to the video.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Today I'm gonna go to Sarojini and see how it looks. I have my mask and I'm gonna leave right now. So I'll see you in Sarojini. So here I've reached Sarojini and you can see how it looks. It was pretty empty right now. I was actually shocked and happy at the same time to see how empty it is. This lane looked extremely deserted. And guys, please wear a mask in Sarojini and don't remove it. In the next video, you'll see people getting fined for not wearing it. So please make sure you don't do that.
टैटू कराना है टेम्परेरी परमानेंट 50% ऑफ.
So there were few people in this lane compared to other lanes. And I saw a lot of these circular stalls this time. There were many of these. So yeah, they were pretty nice. You can go and check it out if you go there. If you are looking for long dresses and t-shirts and all that, this den would be a great choice. If you've come to Sarojini, you know this den, so I don't know the shop number or anything, so I can't guide you about that. This lane is usually filled by people, and as you can see, it is completely empty, and I was loving it. And they had some pretty good clothing items also, so do check it out. And here comes everybody's favorite graffiti lane, which is actually not my favorite because I don't find anything over here anyways. So yeah, it was open. You can check it out. And guys, please carry a sanitizer with you and keep sanitizing your hands after you touch anything over there. You know it is very important. Please don't take it lightly. And it's a wrap. I'll see you at home. So it's been 2-3 days since I went to Sarojini. My clothes have been washed and now I'm here to show you what all I got. So the first 5 things that I bought are these 5 t-shirts which I got for 100 each. So I'm gonna show you quickly what these are. One thing, I'm not gonna try all these clothes right now. I'm gonna make another video in which I'm gonna style all these things and show you how I pair it. So please stay tuned for that. So the first t-shirt that I got is probably my favorite. It is this off-white color t-shirt which says sunshine on my mind. I really like the sunset vibe. So yeah, this is the first t-shirt that I got. The second one is this faded grey t-shirt which says California vibes. I really like this faded effect. So yeah, this is the second one that I got. And now the third one is this black t-shirt. It is a faded black t-shirt. Says be the one who wanders, go your own way. Yeah, so this is. So right now I am a lot into oversized t-shirts, so I bought a lot of these. So the next one is this colorful one which says 90s team. I really like color. I love me some colors, so I really like this a lot. Last one is a crop top which says Barbie. It is from a brand Barbie only. I don't know which brand this is, but yeah, this is from Barbie. It is a printed crop tee. I bought this as an oversized crop top only because you know I like oversized right now. So yeah, these are the 5 things. All are for 100 each, so pretty good deal. Now the 5 things that I'm gonna show you, I bought all these for 50 each. 50 each. I can't even believe it myself. So the first thing that I got is this basic pajama for nightwear, and nothing special in this, just a pajama. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing that I bought is this kurti type dress. Yeah, I really like the sleeves. It has a zip on the back. Yeah, I really like this one. The color is really nice. Third thing is this purple top. I really like the V neck. Yeah. It shows pink in the camera. I don't know why, but it's a pretty purple color. So this is the third thing. Fourth thing that I got is this pink crop top. It has a cross in the front. I think it is really in trend right now, so I'll get the sleeves cut and I'll get more use out of it. So yeah, this was the fourth thing. And the last thing is this black bodysuit. Yeah, I've been wanting a bodysuit since a really long time, but I didn't want to spend too much money and not wear it, so I bought this one. So I bought a pretty good deal. I got it for 50 rupees. So yeah, all these 5 things were for 50 each. I got it from a stall, that circular stalls that they keep. All these are from the same stall. Yeah.
I think that I bought is either for 50 rupees or 100 rupees. That is like the maximum I spent over there this time on a particular item. Proud of myself.
We are left with last 3 things, and the next 2 things are bodysuits, which I got for 100 each. So the first one is this pastel blue color. Kind of pastel or faded, I don't know. So it says quad pink, and I really liked it. Yes. My mom was making a joke that this looks like a baby's diaper or something. Yeah. So this is the first bodysuit I mean. And the second bodysuit, which is probably my favorite out of all the 3 bodysuits that I bought from there, which is this pretty pink bodysuit. It is baby pink color. I don't know if it's showing correctly or not, but it is a pretty baby pink color. Really like the open detailing in the back and the lacy front. So yeah, I really like these. I'm gonna pair it with a t-shirt or something. I'm gonna show it in the next video how I pair all these things. So yeah, the last thing, which is the only accessory that I bought from there, which is this chain. So yeah, I bought this for 100 rupees. Wanting these chains for a really long time, and I ordered this online. Pretty expensive. So when I found this in Sarojini, I was like, yay. So yeah, so that is all that I got from Sarojini, and that is it for this video. I just want to mention one thing. I am not encouraging anyone to go there and shop or anything, but if you are going there, please take precautions. Take a mask with you, wear it all the time, take a sanitizer and keep using it, and please be safe. Don't touch anything unnecessarily. So that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.